So welcome back, guys. In our previous session, what we have done is we have connected our domain name which we have bought from GoDaddy to our hosting service which we are using HostGator for. So today let's understand how to install WordPress on our website. So here we are on our HostGator dashboard. So here there are three products which you can see. There is one multi-domain Linux hosting. There is one puneetdhankar.com SSL certificate, and there is one digitalsync.in SSL certificate. So today what we are going to do is we are going to install WordPress on puneetdhankar.com, for which we already have an SSL certificate as well. So let's click on this deckergroup.com, which is our hosting. And this will go to manage web hosting. This will open up the control panel, and this will scroll down and will come to WordPress. Click on this WordPress icon. Just see if there is an installation on this domain name earlier as well. There are no installations on this domain name, so we are free to go ahead on this. Click on install now. Now here it will ask you what version we want to install, so always make sure you are installing the latest version. We already have an SSL certificate, so we'll use https://www this thing, and we'll choose a domain name from here, which is puneetdhankar.com. so it should be somewhere here. Here it is. So there's no directory which we want to choose, so we are going to have a website name which is a secured thing, www.puneetdhankar.com. Let's keep it as my name. In site description, let's add digital advisory. So this is to enable multi-site. So we at present don't require a multi-site for our WordPress blog, for which we also need to have Apache mode rewrite thing. However, I'll let you understand how this works as well, but at present we don't need this. Now admin account is your admin, and password you can enter anything of your own. This is your admin email. Language is English. Limit login attempts, we don't need to click it. What it will do is when somebody tries to log into your account without any password, or if he's trying various passwords, it will limit it to 3 or 5. So after 3 attempts he'll not be able to enter any passwords. Classic editor is basically one of the key concepts of WordPress because of which it started, but at present we have much advanced things in place, so we are not going to use this as well. WP Central, again for multiple WordPress websites, we are not doing it at present. They are also asking what themes we need to install. We'll not click on anything right now. We'll just enter our email address so that they can send the installation details to us. Click on install. So here it will take 1 to 2 to 3 minutes to install WordPress on your domain name. And once it is ready, it will share the links of your website as well as the admin panel from where you'll be managing it. We already have password and everything ready. So here it has completed the installation. It is saying congratulations, the software has been installed. Now this first link is basically to see your website. Let's click on this and see what's there on our website right now. So this is the basic website that we have ready just by installing WordPress on our domain name. So these are all the details which we have furnished. This is a menu search thing. This is one of the blogs that comes automatically when you install WordPress, and this is the basic structure of your footer menu. So this everything is done without us having to do anything but to just click on the install button on our domain name. So let's understand where it all is coming from. We go back to this and we see this administrative URL. Click on this. And this is the place from where all the things which are here on this website are being managed. So this is what we call as WordPress control panel. So we'll dive deeper into this in our next session.